Welcome to this video on the teaching profession, where we will explore teaching as both a mission and a vocation. Two foundational pillars define the true nature of a teaching career: vocation, which is an internal calling, and mission, which is an external assigned task. Vocation, from the Latin vocare, means to call. It is a profound invitation to serve, requiring a worthy response from the teacher. Mission, from the Latin missio, means to send. It represents the active execution of an assigned task entrusted to you to accomplish in the world. Your purpose is found at the intersection of these two concepts. The internal call combined with the external task equals your fulfillment. Consider this diagnostic matrix to evaluate your mindset. Are you viewing teaching as just a job or as a true mission? The mindset you choose dictates your daily reality. While a job focuses on success, a mission adds faithfulness to your work. Beware of the puidna mentality. Settling for good enough is the ultimate enemy of excellence in your mission. Your individual mindset has a ripple effect on the school. Great schools are built by teachers who embrace their teaching mission. Arm yourself for excellence by rejecting mediocrity, preparing relentlessly, and consciously choosing the path of growth. By remaining true to your calling and mission, you choose the path to excellence in your professional life. Thank you for joining this video. Remember to embrace your call and fulfill your mission.